Okay, today is probably going to be a very wild day in terms of price, not just for ADA, but for the crypto market. And frankly, we all need to brace for impact. Even at the time of just starting to film this video, I'm watching ADA price start to move to the downside. We moved down to 35.30. We're at about 35.80 this morning. And frankly, what we have coming today is the PC report. The PC report, the personal consumer expenditures report, is going to be a gauge of what people are spending on a much broader aspect outside of just urban areas. All right. Now, why this is important is, again, this does impact the Fed's decision for rate cuts. It may not impact it that much, but we may experience some pretty severe volatility today. And the reason why is that they're actually expecting a hot PCE report. Now, why I'm saying that we may experience some volatility today is, we have a lot of people that are trying to push the market one way or the other, whether it's to the downside, to the upside. And the thing is if this report comes in hot, like expectations are, it wouldn't be surprising if we get some sell-offs, if we get some very quick movements in the market like we experienced just the other day. Also, if you guys remember when we got that hot jobs report, what that did to everything. Now, do I think this matters long term? Not really, because we know that the plan for September is going to be rate cuts. This may just impact what that may look like, what rate cuts following that may look like, how quickly they'll occur, right? That's the biggest thing to pay attention to. But they're expecting that energy or food and energy costs are expected to drift higher to 2.7% from 2.6% from the previous month overall. So we're expecting things to have increased just a little bit, okay? So BTC facing a similar thing right now, trying to, again, still get above this 200-day moving average. Really, frankly, again, we got to get to 61.5. We did get up to 61 yesterday. You saw that big green candle, but unfortunately, everything has kind of come down a little bit in anticipation of this. Now, I will say, we also had expectations of a hot CPI report, and we didn't get that. All right. In fact, it came in below expectations. Very good thing for the market. We saw prices start to move higher before we actually had some sell-offs. So it's possible that if this is indeed not a hot PC report, things may move to the upside. And again, very quickly, right? Right now, you have this kind of sandwich of leverage liquidations. All right. To the upside, to the downside. It's a question of what are we going to hit? Are we going to hit the path up? Are we going to hit the path down? Okay. So my point is just everybody be prepared today. Don't get shaken out by the wild volatility in the market. We're still preparing for rate cuts in September. There are still positive signs pointing towards alt season. I actually have a lot of videos to get out. There's a lot of things to discuss across the crypto market, multiple assets. I have a great video coming out for ADA a little bit later today about the Chang hard fork. We're in some pretty exciting time, guys. We are gearing up for the most explosive bull market in crypto history. We are gearing up for mass adoption to begin taking place. And once again, we are going to be advancing and gaining adoption faster than the rate of the internet. Really think about that. There is so much people, or so many people, so much capital yet to hit the space that right now it's very easy to get complacent about, to not pay attention to. And I think when it does hit the market, there's a lot of people that are going to be getting hit flat-footed. All right. Now, as always, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. But be prepared. Be on your game, because when the market takes off again, just like it did in October, just like it did in March, I don't want anybody to get surprised. But I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts about this morning's report. What do you think is going to happen? But have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.